Yeah, man, watch channel, you don't know the rich kid Byll Gatez, see? They're on a book interview with OneKnockTV. I don't know one Byll Gatez, I know when I Byll Gatez. Not.
So Byll Gatez, how you doing?
Good man.
Notice that you have been creating such a roar on social media with a new song. Tell us about that.
Two new songs I have out right now. I have the Scammer Wine song and the Mole Ever Carnivals production. I have the Stash Way and the Tambin Rhythm. See? I just recently shoot a medley video for the two songs. So people can look out for them two songs right now. Scammer Wine and Stash Way to come. Burn up road.
So how has the business been treating you?
Alright. To be honest with you, see, as a young artist, the hardest thing you face as a young artist, I forget out here. Because I don't know if I have one song, people normally have a start, you have a producers that sing already. People will start looking for show and all these things, but as a young artist, when you get out there, you're good.
Okay. I noticed back in 2013 when you dropped Own Done, I believe.
Yeah, man.
How did that, how was that received by fans?
Here what? The Own Done song, the voice a song for Consequence music. That song is a flossing song. We talk about people who are flossing at the party then. And so you find out so that song it get a good rotation. But most time when it play, it's like you have like in the December or the August when the big boat ride and the big party in the keep. You know everybody want to be them one done. You know what I mean? Every man want to know so when them day party them can go shell the bar and them not have to ask somebody for no money. So the song they still do good right now because a crazy people call me about dub plate at the time for the song there. That's all people say, yo, you see that song here? It's going to be a dancehall anthem. Because they talk about the flossers them and they talk about who do them thing. One what them want done. You don't know Byll Gatez and want done. You know the thing.
So would you say that was the song that helped you to break on the scene?
Well, I wouldn't say that. Back in 2011, I did a song with Anthony Cruz called More Money. And I also did a video for that song. It get good rotation. People get to see the artist side of Byll Gatez. Because first, we used to just in the party, them a floss and thing, but you don't know if you take your career serious. So I do a song with Anthony Cruz. Then after that, I do a song with B-side. See? Then we have a next song with Super and Alexis. So, what a thing I do from them time to come.
So what led you to dancehall, knowing that you were in the party doing your thing, shelling the bar and so forth, but what made you choose dancehall?
To be honest with you, you see from my band, I know me a superstar. See? But you don't know me as a youth like dress up and go out and look so like clean. Some more time we there at the party, them and they all the vibes, you know? But one make me really start pre-artist in league. It's like I link artist one day where I said me and my virgin. If I don't play it. See it? For one of my virgin so. And two of the man deal with the thing, me that. Two of the man deal with the thing. I said, Jano, you know, say come at me, go turn artist and do that dog for my virgin. Because the man deal like this. And them alone, what them do, nobody else can do it. And my music big and the whole of me, brother. Everybody in Jamaica can turn artist and still eat food. And still have for them. You understand what I say for them spot? You know what I mean? So you think so?
As you have mentioned Cornelius a lot, would you say that he's one of the producers that is helping to push your career?
Yeah, man. Man, good so far. I'm one of them new producers right now. Yeah. Trust me. Crazy artists around now for voice for them really. See me? I'm the next big thing right now. Cornelius. You don't know Byll Gatez that. And one Byll Gatez. One Cornelius. Big up yourself. Man.
So apart from Cornelius, which other producers have you worked with?
Alright, as I said, my voice for Consequence, the voice for Natural Entertainment, the voice for Biggs Production, And producer Dean approach me now. If me come voice man, I'm really mad. Right now, crazy really me have a net for voice some song. Because you know we voice 1 and 2 song every day. See me? Just have to just take time out to listen to rhythm them and make the bad song. Because right now the people them accept Byll Gatez. See me? I know say I want Byll Gatez when I Byll Gatez.
Are there any artists that you want to work with?
Yeah. First, I love those songs in Killer. Killer in general. I watch Killer from my youth. I grew up in the business. See me? I watch people. I watch Killer. From them time they are good. You know what I mean? Killer one in general. Being the man, Ninja man. Movado, busy. And I feel good.
So what about social media? How are fans reacting to you on there?
Yeah man, them as long as I tell you the people who accept Byll Gatez, you know, because them see me put in the work. Them see crazy song of voice up and I say, you know, them see video and things. So people are saying, yeah, Byll Gatez is the next artist can take his career really serious. It's true.
So let's talk about the show scene where you have performed. Where have you performed so far?
We have to follow the area already. We have to follow the area. And a couple of the show around the carpet. I'm going on and the thing. But that's what I tell you. We take the thing real serious when I tell you. So anyway, the show there, and I'm ready for it. Book Byll Gatez. I'm ready. You know what I mean?
So do you have anything booked so fans can expect you on certain shows?
Well, we have some we have some promoter coming right now for some show in the country and some local place. But we need to confirm. So as soon as we confirm, the fans have I don't know which part they can come see Byll Gatez already. You know what I mean?
So knowing that the summer is the pinnacle of the year for dancehall music, and you have to really put in the work for you to really get hit, especially G weekend when the party is on. What can fans expect from you this summer?
Well, as we said, this summer, I shoot the next video. I have crazy new song. I just voice a song. I just voice a song but natural rhythm. I mean toaster rhythm name, as rich as I be. I have a song of my voice for consequence them. When name I have a bad song, I just voice for consequence. But the summer the release. That I come take this of the summer states. Because you know the summer hot, so we have to keep at it. And all the things keep correct.
So can we expect to see you in any other parties in Negril?
Any one of them big show there, any one of them party there, they can see Byll Gatez proper. Very unpredictable. You see me? And you know, Dream Weekend is a thing we always think. You don't know, that's not the place where people from all corners of the world follow. You see me? So.
Earlier you mentioned that promoters have been calling you. How about overseas fans?
Overseas fans?
Yeah.
Yeah, because Facebook, Byll Gatez, see? Instagram, Byll Gatez 25 _ hey. Me get foreign fan every single day. When I post, them acknowledge me. Because them see me I do it. You know what I mean? So I take the time to you can hear some book for your show overseas as well. But as I say, I put in the work and I have all the batting in the pipeline. So I take the time you can hear Byll Gatez at the next big app.
So knowing that your relative existence in the business is relatively small, what are some of the things that inspire you to continue, knowing that it's such a hard road to try?
And to be honest with you, Byll Gatez have a family to take care of. So, first, we just get a little daughter, just one year old. And you know, say, when people come up and take things. You don't know if I push hard. You understand? I go push hard to find the hits them. For mind the family and take care of a friend them too. You know what I mean?
So what would you say to a young artist coming into business, what to expect from it?
Any young artists are coming out of the business. Believe in yourself. Don't make nobody tell you so. You can't do it. It's fine you believe in yourself and just keep working. You connect. I don't know when you put in the work, you know. One day you're gonna reap, you know. It may not gonna be quick, but you're gonna reap one day and get some success, you know what I mean?
You've been working really hard.
Yeah, man.
And fans, I'm sure fans are expecting a mixtape, an EP. So what can you say about that?
Yeah. I put out an EPs with 6 tracks. 6 exclusive tracks. But just again, some of the songs they mix up like mix. So when they mix are ready, so set a date when the EP are